Hello, everyone. Today we are here with Sharad Aggarwal, and the topic of today's session is how AI plays a critical role in cybersecurity.
Hi, everyone. I'm going to be talking about how AI plays a critical role in terms of cybersecurity. Just before we jump in, a little bit about myself. Myself, Sharad Aggarwal. I head the global team at Google Cloud. I head the solutions and strategy. I'm also an AI evangelist. We cut across various areas, be it AI, ML, I would say customer security, customer experience, engineering, marketing, and all. So I manage the depth and breadth of the portfolio. Been in the industry for close to 25 years. Always been into big tech. Main focus area being strategy. I'm also a UC alum where I did my MBA, focusing primarily on entrepreneurship, marketing, and leadership. And yeah, I'm based out of Bay Area, Silicon Valley. Picked up skiing this year. That's a fun fact. And I love learning new things and investing in alternate asset classes. Um, on the right hand side, you also have the QR code. Feel free to connect with me. Would love to connect. Uh, I always enjoy connecting with, I would say, exciting individual, be it within the industry or outside of the industry. With that, I'll jump into the next slide. So one of the reason, right? So we all know that cybersecurity has been right always been the focus area for any big enterprise or even small enterprise for that matter. It's been in the news all across, and if you look at the latest projections, like the cyber crime enabled through AI is expected to actually hit like 10.5 trillion by like in fact this year, which is almost like the I would say the size of the economy. If we look at the world index, like on number three. And I would say, given like my role, where I head the global strategy across partners, where like hyperscalers like ourselves, we work with, I would say, a lot of partners. The threat is not just like I would say internal, external, but also right. There could be vulnerability at scale you could be addressing through the partner you could be working, and there are examples in the news, right, where be it like the Okta, which happened through a third-party provider, or the some of you might be aware the MGM Move It leak that happened through third party provider, right? So threat could be like in any shape, form, and these days I would say it's just getting more sophisticated, enabled through the AI. And AI, as I was talking about, right? It's the hot area these days. A lot of stuff has been going on. A lot of, I would say, AI is a lot of stuff AI is doing in terms of enabling the enterprise. I would say just a normal human being or everybody in terms of being more efficient, be more productive, and do a lot. At the same time, it's also increasing the risk profile as far as cybersecurity is concerned. As some of you might be aware, like there is a 50% increase projected through the AI related threat. And as you know, just like some of you use ChatGPT, Gemini, or what have you, that you can quickly get answers and AI can even create like the code bases and all that. Similarly, a lot of hackers can use it, right? Like to create, I would say, the vulnerabilities, right? In a matter of seconds. Within Google itself, like we have like a lot of technologies, and some of you might be aware of the recent acquisitions we have in this space. In Gmail itself, we receive like I would say, over 100 million phishing attempts on daily basis, which through, I would say, our machine learning models, human in the loop, and various other technology, we have been constantly working to evolve those. With that, today's conversation, my focus area would be three pronged, three key areas I'll be doubling down on. That one, why it is not just the, I would say, the focus of the security organization, but it's like a culture as a whole. And that's something like, as like, I don't like lead cybersecurity organization within Google, but leading even the large partner organization, focus on AI and others, why it's more and more important for I would say enterprises, individuals, and professionals like to focus on this because it impacts everyone. And we look at cybersecurity, and again, especially amplified through AI as a culture, like which everybody should be working together rather than a practice. The other thing is, like I already touched upon it, like it's a double-edged sword. We'll do a deep dive on this piece. Uh, it's like changing both the attack and the defense side, right? So on the attack side, like as we talked about, like the hackers or the I would say bad actors are getting sophisticated. At the same time, the technologies are emerging, right? On the other side, right? Like be it some of the unicorns that we'll touch upon, as to how do we have the technological posture to ensure that we are like adequately equipped to handle those threats. And the third angle, which is like very close to my heart, because I also do a lot of advisory and mentorship across various spectrum of be it students, my UCLA alumni, or professionals, or C-suite, and all that. That I would say AI. Some of us think, hey, does that mean right? Is it a threat to my job or others? We look at it differently because, and you will see as we go through the presentation, it's actually creating a lot of opportunities. Whether you are in the cybersecurity field or you are thinking about getting in this field or even other areas that you will be interested, AI is creating a lot of opportunities, including this area.